Happy Tuesday. It's April 16th, we think.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Even though we can triple check, we still forget in 5 seconds.
And we don't know where we're going. It's just supposed to hit into the 70s today. So, we'll just have to see where we go. Exploring PA at its finest. I should say
Wingin' PA.
Wingin'. Wingin' Western PA. Okay.
There's no okays.
More okays.
More okays.
All right. All good in the neighborhood. Okay, the small. Oh, I okayed again. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Take 2. We're heading out on 861. We haven't been this way this year yet. So let's give this a shot and find a road that we haven't been on yet. So dear, if you see something, let me know. It's so beautiful. Well, we're up to 66 on the bike already. Supposed to get up in the 70s. So, don't forget, subscribe so you don't miss anything. The season has just begun. And check back at some of our older videos. Don't forget, subscribe.
Yep. The more views we have, the more we feel that we're being blessed by you all.
A beer. Did you see that black bear on the side of the road?
I just said in my head, I wish I saw a bear, but not dead.
Yeah.
Poor thing.
They're out and about.
Sure he managed to dent a few bumpers.
Well, this is a road we haven't been on. Cherry Run Road. What is it, out of Rhymesburg or something?
Yep.
You don't know where it's going to take us.
That's why we're on it.
Yeah. Oh, curvy road. Like it. Oh, I should say squiggly.
I was waiting for that.
Well, we're on a squiggly road together. Stay tuned for more. We're on Collinsburg Road.
Fallen. F.
Oh, Collins.
Fallenberg? Fallenberg Road.
Oh, yeah, that's where we are.
Yeah. Don't know where Fallensburg Road is, but it's actually quite beautiful.
We're on it.
We're on it.
Glad you come along with us on Exploring PA at its finest. I was just say Western PA. See? Nice. Yep. just getting wind therapy. We got aromatherapy.
Awesome. Look at that.
Oh, nice stream on the right. Beautiful aromatherapy.
Nice.
Here we go. We got some working over here.
Hi, horsey. Wow, huh?
Yeah.
Damn.
Out in the fields. If you're following us on our route, we're on Canoe Ripple Road.
Amy must be around. Buzzards are flying.
Uh-oh. This is Mount Zion Road. Oh, I don't like this road. Okay, we're turning around. We turned around because it went into dirt. But look at the view from up here.
Stunning. I guess we're down Canoe Ripple Road.
Yeah, we're going back on Canoe Ripple Road. Another beautiful view. This is a nice road, babe. Just a little river.
It's a little one.
Beautiful. Okay, we keep going. We're on Twin Church Road. There's one church, and there looks like another one.
Yeah, that looks old.
Yeah, it does. Cool.
1906. St. Paul's.
Welcome to the town of Knox. Here we go. We're gonna go straight. We don't know where we're going. Okay.
A carcass of something hanging up in the tree.
Oh, who?
A carcass of something hanging up in the tree.
Uh-oh. Maybe something Bigfoot put up. Okay, we're on Camp Kaufman Road. That looks like they're doing some tree work over here. We have no idea where we are. So, I don't know what else to say.
Wingin', PA.
Wingin', PA. Well, I think we're in, or just outside of Tying Vesta or whatever. I probably butchered that name. But we're following the river. This is Route 62. I'll let you know what the name of that river is. It's beautiful up here. We're up high, the river's down low. Very pretty. Following the river.
be at Cape Cod's here.
Private property. Walking, bicycle, fishing, no speed.
Lighthouse Island.
Yeah.
Public restrooms.
No public restrooms.
I want to take a picture.
Okay. Take a camera.
Yeah. Just a little. We were just in a little town called Tyanute. Really cute. Yeah, the drink costs more than the sandwich did.
Oh, we think you had another landslide here the other day. With all the rain we had. It looks like it.
It does look like it.
With all that rain we had a couple days ago, we had another landslide blocking the road. School zone. Home sweet home.
Sometimes we forget, but that's okay.
Is that little gnome house? There it is, little gnome.
So cute.
Okay.